In today's contemporary landscape, advancements in innovation propel tactical military gear to unprecedented levels of power and sophistication. Some of these upgrades provide a substantial competitive advantage in combat scenarios, and, at times, they serve as exceptional life-saving equipment. This video will delve into 20 remarkable examples of tactical military gear that deserve your attention. Every soldier values a versatile yet powerful headlamp, and the Princeton TechCharge Pro fits the bill perfectly. This headlamp offers a clean white floodlight for distant spotting and comes with various mounting options, allowing customization based on personal preferences. What sets it apart is its 3 different LED color configurations, each serving different purposes. In the wilderness, a soldier must carry an axe for better protection and survival needs. In this regard, the Tops Knives 6AX is an irreplaceable item that one can carry easily. This stunning axe provides excellent impact resistance with edge retention, and its long handle provides incredible reach, chopping almost everything more efficiently. Carrying the rifle and other necessary essentials, a soldier needs one common thing, which is a rifle case. The FNH SCAR 17S is one of the best in a vastly used rifle case. This rifle case has a huge room where the military keeps their rifles easily. On top of that, it has several compartments for gun magazines and other rifle-related accessories. As it is water and dust-proof, it can be taken to any corner of the world without worrying about damage. From cutting paracord to preventing yourself from sudden enemy attacks, the Benchmade 5370 FE shootout knife is a standard military gear that every soldier loves to carry. This blade is made of CPM Crew super strong steel, making it an excellent cutting gear. Additionally, it is designed with a detailed grip texture that ensures fast indexing and greater control in high-pressure scenarios. It also has a spin fire release button used for easy blade deployment. During firing, a straightforward bullet shell can damage your eyes temporarily or permanently. In this instance, the Wiley X Spear can protect your eyes from any external damage. This sunglass is made to maintain the ballistic standard to protect the eyes from bullets and fragments. Moreover, thanks to its lightweight design, one can wear these sunglasses for longer without any fatigue. Besides, it also provides extreme protection by preventing dust and dirt from getting into your eyes. Talking about the tactical wallet, nothing can replace the name of the Dango A10. This wallet is specially designed for the military. It is made of 6061 aerospace aluminum, ensuring its extended durability. Besides, in its compact form factor, this wallet can carry multiple types of small essentials, including a pen, notebook, and multi-tool. The unique thing is that the exterior of the wallet is totally made of bulletproof material. To observe the sensitive territory more precisely or project the enemy movement accurately, the AGM Taipan TM15256 can be the ultimate assistance for the military. This night vision monocular provides a precise viewing angle even in the darkest conditions. Moreover, unlike the conventional thermal monocular, this monocular helps to detect the distance of the projected object. Not just that, it has 8 hours of long run time to provide uninterrupted observation. Having a plate carrier like the 5.11 All Mission gives soldiers the confidence to face the enemy boldly. This plate carrier is made of a 500D nylon body that shields your body from the bullet and gives you peace of mind. Now there's no need to purchase a separate plate carrier for several military missions. This is an all-in-one solution that can be carried in multiple military missions. For various purposes, the military requires a watch, and this is where the G-Shock Mud Master GWG 2000 steps in. This rugged watch is specifically designed to handle the harshest, roughest situations while maintaining its ultimate performance. Somehow, if your hand goes under the mud, don't worry. This watch has mud-resistant features that can run efficiently under the mud. With the No Cry Professional knee pads, you can crawl over burning coal on the surface of the pin. Horrible, right? But this knee pad can do so. Its heavy-duty thick poly shield saves the knee from damage and offers comfortable movement. Thanks to its adjustable elastic strap that won't tumble or slide in slippery conditions. On top of that, its mesh design offers intense breathability for extended wear. Covering the face in the dirt and staying anonymous more easily, soldiers can use the Rothko multi-use neck gaiter to protect their face. This neck gaiter can shield your face from extreme dirt and sun while always keeping cool and dry. In one neck gaiter, soldiers will get multiple benefits. Wondering how? This versatile headwear can be used as a bandana, neck gaiter, dust screen, balaclava, scarf, head wrap, and more. Plus, its breathable design allows it to be used for an extended period. The Atomic Bear Sweat Pin can work as a weapon in combat situations. Sounds rare, right? With just one strike of this pin, it can injure any size person within a second. Apart from that, it can be used as an emergency window breaker that helps to come out of several accidents. It has a comfortable yet firm grip that can deliver a devastating strike when the enemy tries to attack. Want to hit the target more accurately? Bring the Leupold VX Freedom for the next military mission. This rifle scope delivers precise, accurate, and reliable target projection even in low light conditions. Not just that, it comes with a 3:1 zoom ratio system, meaning top-end magnification will be 3 times more than the bottom-end magnification. Moreover, its rugged and lightweight design ensures its extreme durability for several combat missions. How about a paracord that can be involved in multiple projects? The Extremist True Mil-Spec 5040 Type 3 paracord will do so. This paracord is used in bracelets, belts, slings, or hundreds of other projects. Most importantly, it is made of military-grade material that can easily tackle the toughest conditions reliably. In addition, thanks to its UV and heat-resistant features, its color won't fade away even after using it under extreme weather. Why stuff a backpack with multiple types of tools when you can carry the Leatherman Raptor Rescue Multi-Tool in the backpack? This one multi-tool can cut straps, rings, and do many more things quite effortlessly. No need to carry an oxygen tank wrench and an emergency glass breaker separately because both are integrated with this multi-tool. When life hangs on the rope, a reliable carabiner like the Helix Spectre provides the safest climbing solution in warfare. This carabiner comes with innovative I-beam construction techniques that keep its weight light but ensure uncompressed strength during climbing. The most astonishing thing is that it's a versatile carabiner that can be used in various climbing options. During combat situations, having a tactical bag is as essential as having a gun. That's why soldiers always look for a bag like the Mystery Ranch 3-Day Assault BVS. It has multiple spacious compartments where soldiers can put numerous types of accessories in an organized way. Surprisingly, its 3-zip design allows you to open the bag easily and keeps the larger things. How about if pants can tolerate everyday wear and tear but don't mind it all? Well, the MDC Aggressor Flex Gen 2 is one of the most tactical pants that are specifically made for soldiers. This tactical pant is made from monophonic ripstop fabric that can tolerate extreme mud and dirt while maintaining its ultimate comfort. Surprisingly, these pants won't lose their color even after washing them multiple times. Plus, its breathable and lightweight design is comfortable to use in hot conditions. So get ready to wear the MTC Aggressor Flex Gen 2 for the next military mission. In combat conditions, injuries are common. That's why first aid kits like the Survive Wear can be the lifesaver for anybody in the toughest conditions. This first aid kit keeps all the medical essentials organized and lets you quickly access them when emergencies arise. Not just that, its portable design and durable material make this kit different from all other conventional medical equipment. Want to keep the gun magazine close to your body and access them instantly when required? The Taco magazine is designed to do so. This high-quality pouch securely holds multiple sizes of rifle magazines and lets you access them easily during combat conditions. Moreover, its ultra-durable polymer clips help to fit with the body firmly and keep the magazines in place. So that was all about the 20 cool tactical military gear you should see.